My husband had been wanting cordless vacuum for a while now, and to be honest with you, I didn't think it would be worth it. I already hated dragging out a big vacuum, especially when it was just to do quick cleanups, and I really didn't want another appliance around the house that I thought was just going to turn into a big paperweight. But honestly, I was wrong. This has made everyday cleanups around our house so much easier, and I did not expect to like it quite as much as I do. We use this a lot around our kitchen and entryway, especially on our doormats, and it has been really convenient for those quick cleanups. I love how easy it is to move around our kitchen table and chairs and other tight spaces around the house. It slides very nicely under the edge of our kitchen counter, which has always been a huge struggle with our heavy plug-in vacuum. The light on the front of this vacuum head is also really helpful when cleaning around corners, under furniture, and other tight places. It has 3 different suction levels that you can use by tapping the button on the top of the vacuum. You turn it on and off by using the finger trigger, and I also like that you do have that option to adjust that power level depending on the type of cleaning you're needing to do. One of the biggest things for me is just how lightweight this cordless vacuum is. Our corded vacuum is pretty heavy, and for quick cleanups, it just feels like it was way more work than it needed to be. This one is so much easier to grab and use without having to feel wore out afterwards. The handle on this is also adjustable, so depending on the job that you're doing, you can adjust it, which is extremely helpful for doing things like stairs and other tight areas. It helps with the maneuverability of it. I also love that it can be converted into a handheld vacuum. This has been really handy for doing things like corners, baseboards, and other quick touch-ups around the house. It's also perfect if you have a little mess in your car. You quickly grab it, go out and do a cleanup, and you're done. It's also surprisingly quiet, which is great if someone is sleeping in your house or if you happen to have company over and you need to do a quick cleanup. You can grab it and you're not dealing with a loud plug-in vacuum. Emptying it is very simple and mess-free, and the filters are washable. It actually comes with 3 filters in total, and one comes in the vacuum, and then you have 2 spares. It also comes with 2 extra attachments. It comes with a wall mount bracket that also holds the attachment, so everything is always kept together in one place. You can charge it right on the wall mount as long as it's actually near an outlet. Personally, I usually just pop the battery off and charge it on my kitchen counter or someplace in the living room. I like keeping it topped up so I know that it's always ready to go anytime I need to grab it. At first, I wasn't 100% sure if the battery needed to be 100% drained before charging, but after looking into it, that's not the case. So you can charge it as needed, which makes it extremely convenient. Honestly, what I was using for was such a hassle. This vacuum has really simplified everything for me when it comes to cleaning and quick cleanups around the house. And if you are looking for an easier way to handle daily cleanups, this is definitely one to consider.